Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. We're at the Daytona Boat Show earlier this year. I got the opportunity to check out the 2026 Xpress H20 Bay Boat. And this one's got an aluminium construction. She measures in at 20 feet 3 inches in length. She's got a beam of 7 feet 11, 40 gallons of fuel capacity, and the weight with the engine is 1,813 pounds. She looks to be a very capable and very stable boat for its size. She's powered by a Yamaha VF115 horse LB outboard, good for speeds just in excess of 40 miles per hour. And you'll notice this one's mounted on a 6-inch jack plate, so that way you can raise and lower it depending on the waters that you're cruising. And as I climb on board, I really like the amount of storage compartments that this one offers. At the transom you get real easy access to the fuel tank. You've obviously got this casting chair right next to it as well. Notice the cleats, those are on the inside of the boat and are also folding so that way it doesn't get tangled in your fishing line. You've got the rod holders on the side of the console. You get clear space for walking around but also for casting on. This one's got the Garmin multifunction display, Bluetooth stereo, and that wraparound screen will give you some protection from the wind and also any spray that you have too. Engine instrumentation showing you the speed, revs, the trim, the fuel, and it's all finished to a very nice standard. And MSRP is $61,200, but at the boat show she was on sale for $45,384, and that includes the trailer. Making my way around again, you can see there's more cleats, and then we've got more storage up front. Everything locks into place, so that way it's going to be safe and secure, both when you're out on the water and also when you're in the trailer. The compartment on the bow, this one's got an infill for it, so this one you can easily fill up full with ice if you wanted to. Use that for drinks and refreshments, you can use that for bringing home some fish, taking out the bait. And that forward facing seat, that's actually got an aerated live well underneath it. And then, as well as having a casting chair on the bow, we've also got the Minn Kota. This is the iPilot 8060 upgrade. That's just a really well equipped, well spec'd boat. Plenty of space to walk around, plenty of comfort to sit down. And it just looks like tremendous value for money for a brand new boat in today's market for only $45,000. I'm going to leave a link to the manufacturer's website in the description. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can go ahead and leave a comment down below. Haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. It really does make a difference. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.